paint job that was on the IR. We'll insert a photo here of what the paint used to look like. Now, most of it came off with desolvent, just a citrus spray, and then a little bit of a karcher. It came straight off, or it just peeled off. But as you can see, there are some tough spots that have been baked on over the years. So we've been recommended to use just some paint thinner. Just a little bit, wash it, come on, and it should just dissolve straight off. And yeah, and then it'll be ready for a respray. So I'm not too concerned about damaging that paint, the black paint, because it will be getting resprayed. On a rag, and if you come over here, we'll try it on one of these spots. We'll see if it comes off. Yeah, see, it's starting to come off. It's going to take a bit of work, but yeah, it's better than it having little white patches all over it. So.
Bless up, bless up.
So we're making some progress here, very slowly, but it's a bit of a lengthy process because once you spread it, it leaves this white mark, and then you have to go over it again with a clean towel, but get there eventually. So we're still scrubbing away. There isn't really much to film because we're just doing the same stuff, but that side's pretty much done now. I'm still working away at the back, but there's just so much of it, it's really hard to get to, but yeah, it's coming along. I think we'll just come back when we get it finished. Alright, so we're almost done. We've just got that little patch there to go, but we've given it a little cut and polish on the wing here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a massive difference. Like, that's coming up quite glossy, so we might just be able to postpone the respray, you think, and we're going to give it a go tomorrow and see if we can get it looking quite good, but yeah, fingers crossed. Alright, so continuing on from removing the plasti-dip, we're now going to give it a bit of a cut and polish to see if the paint comes out any better, because as you can see, there's still some marks left from the paint and, you know, can't really make it any worse, so I think we might as well just give it a go. But yeah, we'll get to it. We've got, let's see, we got the super cut for the roof, and then we'll just use the cream cut and polish for the rest of the car, so it's not too harsh, but yeah, we'll get to it. So far we've done the spoiler and the roof with the super cut compound. I'm just taking it off the roof now, and Dylan's gone over with the cut and polish on the wing, and you can see it's come up quite nicely, but the roof looks a little bit too far gone to be saved, unfortunately. That's alright, it's getting a respray anyway, so more so just I'll have to get it done sooner than later, I think. No, it's alright.
Later.
Okay, so today on DK Garage we're going to look at swapping out this shift knob that came with the car. A few weeks ago we were out in Mexico, you know, racing, and we were at the top of fifth, so I went to shift into race mode, the little R, and the knob fell off and the transmission blew, so now I don't have reverse. All the other gears are okay, but yeah, it didn't go any faster when I put it into R. But yeah, so we'll look at fixing this and hopefully the car, you know, get a little bit of extra power because it's gone to this black one here. Sweet, so we'll get started on it. So this just fell off, and then this little plastic thing is what was inside it, so that was just napped off. So if you untwist that, now we're just left with the bare shifter, and the shifter we got came with multiple attachments. So we'll just work out which one fits, and then we'll come back to you.
Hello?
She's playing dead. Oh,
Get him! What?
where'd they go?
What the?
Oh, they're at the back.
Alright, we missed him.
Right, they're gone.
Back to the news.
Okay, so we worked out that this fitting here, it fits onto that, and obviously it's going to fit into here. So we'll just screw that into that. That's in there, and then hopefully this should. I can't tell if it's actually screwing on. I feel like it's not. Oh no, it is. It's gone.
Yeah, it's going. We're good.
Gone.
We got it.
Oh, I just love playing with black knobs.
Film crew.
Lighting, professional lighting.
What's up, guys?
Alright.
The rabbit went on Liam's face.
Oh. Alright, so this shift knob came with little pattern things. So now I've got to find. Oh, they all come with race mode. That's so good. So it's a 1 to 5. There we are. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then race mode. Perfect. I'll just. Oh, is it sticky on the back?
Yeah, it'll be double-sided tape.
Oh, that's fine. There we go. Just clicks in. And then we're good, ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright, back in action, sweet. Alright, so that's pretty much all the plasti-dip off now. It looks much better, but if you get closer you can see the paint's not in the best condition. It looks alright at the moment because it's wet, but yeah. Catch you next time on DK Garage.